10 Profitable eBay Selling Tips. Looking to make a tidy income as an eBay seller? Here's how to sell on eBay and make the most money from listings. 1. Know the best things to sell on eBay. Whether it's some old textbooks or your Pokemon card collection, before putting something on eBay it's crucial that you take a bit of time to decide whether what you're selling is in the right condition. You might be keen to start making money on whatever you can get your hands on. But, if you make the mistake of selling items that aren't in good condition or are missing crucial parts, you could get bad reviews which make it harder to sell other things on eBay. 2. Buy cheap things to sell on at higher prices. As well as selling items that you no longer use on eBay, it's also worth looking for low-priced things to sell on at higher prices. Be it at your local charity shop, a car boot sale or even on eBay itself, there are loads of places to find great deals on products. 3. Improve your eBay profile. The best way to get started as a seller on eBay is to become a buyer first. This way, other users can see you have an eBay history and recognize that you're trustworthy. Even if you just purchase a couple of small items for a few quid each, paying for the items promptly and taking the time to give feedback, positive if possible, can really build up your eBay presence and get you a good buyer rating. 4. Research eBay's fees. Before you start making money on eBay, you first need to work out exactly how much an item is worth and how much it's going to cost you to sell it. Obviously, you want to make a decent profit, but there are some additional costs applied when selling on eBay that you need to be aware of. 5. Look out for eBay seller promotions. From time to time, eBay runs promotional offers for private sellers. Keep an eye out for these as you'll likely be sent an email with a link to activate them. If you're able to wait until these offers come around to sell your higher priced items, you could save a fair amount of money on seller fees. 6. Charge the best price for your item. When you've decided on an item to sell, use the eBay Advanced Search tool to discover how much similar items have been selling for lately. You can search for whatever you want to sell and tick the completed listings box to see heaps of similar items and the prices they sold for. For some items, like CDs and DVDs, you can find out how much they're worth by getting quotes from other second-hand selling websites like Music Magpie. 7. Start bids low to catch the attention of buyers. It might be tempting to give your listings a high initial price, but starting your bids at 99p, or similar, should actually get you a better sale in the long run. A low starting bid will catch the attention of more potential buyers and encourage a competitive bidding war as the item reaches its last day of bidding. 8. Take good photos of the items you're selling. A photograph of the item you're selling adds maximum credibility, and an eBay user is much more likely to continue bidding if they're confident they can see an accurate representation of what's on offer. If there are extra components to the item you're listing, include them in the photo. We're talking boxes, instruction manuals, batteries and whatever else you've mentioned in the description. 9. Launch auctions during eBay's peak times. Before you jump straight in and post your listing, take some time to think about when you should open the bidding. In general, the best time to end any auction is on a Sunday evening. This has been proven to be the time when most casual buyers go for a browse, so it's the time that auctions really start to heat up. 10. Write convincing product descriptions. Now for the hard part, writing the descriptions that will sell your product. It's crucial that you take your time over this, as a good description can make or break a deal. eBay allows you to use up to 80 characters in your title, so make the most of it. Make it clear, concise and use plenty of keywords to help make your item as easy to find as possible.